Hi guys, you're here with your girl Sasha from Sasha's Kitchen, and I'm back with myself, obviously, yeah, me, Sasha's Kitchen. I'm back with another video with my girls, and they are about to do a Sasha's Kitchen takeover for me reaching 100 subscribers. And yeah,
we are going to be doing a seafood boil today.
seafood boil.
Excited! We got lobster, prawns,
Yeah, we'll show you. We'll show you.
sausage, langoustines. In the building, we're gonna do. I don't know, it sounds like Be Love Life.
Corn,
We're going to do a proper visual
potatoes.
after. We're gonna show you everything after. But yeah, let's get cooking.
Let's get started.
Let's get cooking.
Yes. So, like I said, I won't actually be cooking today. My girls will be doing all the cooking. So they're taking over Sasha's Kitchen, which I'm actually really excited about. So I'm just going to go inside and chill.
For all of you wondering why I'm dancing, I don't know. Maybe I was just excited. I was excited to cook, but I don't know why I was dancing. Okay, back to the video.
With a glass of lemonade and ice and some ice cream and stuff.
That's it.
You know,
And
just go
stuff.
chill. And yeah, they're going to just take over my kitchen.
Yay.
They better leave it tidy.
We will.
There will also be consequences. And yeah, Charlotte, you're cleaning up, yeah? Yeah, so yeah, but like I said, it's just to celebrate reaching 100 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody that has liked, comment and subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate the support. And as a small business, sometimes it can be hard, and as you may have noticed, I haven't put out a video in a while because I've just been trying to like gather my thoughts, and you know, with all this lockdown stuff. But yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna leave my girls to take over.
Yay!
So stop talking because obviously I like to talk and I talk a lot. But remember to like my channel, subscribe, and yeah,
And
girls,
share the comment down below and share with at least 2 people.
yeah, girls, take it away.
Woo!
Sorry to interrupt, but can we just gas up Mum's head for a minute? I say head because there is minimal amount of hair on it, so I feel more comfortable saying head than hair. But head or hair, whatever floats your boat, can we just gas it up for a minute? Mum's looking good. Yes. Okay, back to the video now.
Okay, guys. So now we have everything ready for our seafood boil. We have everything for our sauce and all our stuff for the actual boil.
So we have mussels, we have langoustines and prawns in here. Some of them are headless and some of them still have the head on them. We have some Jersey potatoes, so the mini ones that we cut in half. We have 5 lobster tails because my dad isn't having lobster. We have some smoked sausage, some corn. We have all of our seasonings for the sauce, and then we have onions to go in the sauce, butter to go in the sauce. We have lemon to go on the side, and then we have these roasting bags which we're going to put our seafood in and then slosh the sauce around. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the sauce. Well, Naomi's going to make the sauce, and then we are going to boil our seafood.
Just a quick announcement. All of the ingredients will be down below in the description box, as always. Thank you. What's up guys, it's Abby, Pundy Replay and Pundy Voiceover. Today I'm going to be telling you all of the ingredients that are being added to this butter sauce. They come as follows: garlic, paprika, pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, oregano, red chili powder, salt, vinegar, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, garlic, butter, 2 Maggi stock cubes, I think more, I can't remember, and all-purpose seasoning, as it says here on the sheet of paper. All of the accurate measurements will be down below in the description box for you to see so you can follow along with the recipe. Thank you. I'm just doing these voiceovers for the sake of it. But anyway, just off camera we added some more water and some more stock cubes to the butter sauce because it was a bit thick. You don't have to add water if you don't want to, but we do recommend adding water. Thank you.
Okay, so we've done the sauce. We are just adding a few more ingredients to that. I'm starting on my actual boil stock. In here I've put 1 Maggi cube and 1 vegetable stock cube. And I've just put half an onion in here for the boil. And then in this pot here we just have some water for the corn and potatoes, which are going to boil very shortly. So I will see you once everything is in the pot.
Pro tip: if you do not like potatoes, you can always use other veg like broccoli, those sweet peppers, the bell peppers, that's what they're called, and various other vegetables.
Hi guys, so now we are boiling our seafood. So first thing I'm going to do is put the lobster in for 4 minutes to cook. So I'm just going to put my lobster tails in, just laying it down.
Or until they're red.
Until they're red, which doesn't take a long time. I can already see them turning red right now. I've also taken out our potatoes just sitting on the side, and I put the corn in. There's a lot of corn pieces, so I might just take some out. So now our lobster tails are maybe halfway cooked. You can see they're red. Next thing I'm going to do is put in my mussels. These are being cleaned. I'm just going to put those in and they should open up soon. After I put that in, I'm just going to take my prawns. I'm going to put the ones with the heads in first, like so. I have to try and pick these all out now.
Pro tip: you don't need to have all of the seafood to make it a nice seafood boil. You can just have prawns and sausages. You can even just have sausages. If you want and you want to be that extra, you can even just have corn and potatoes with the sauce. Now that is a hearty meal, alright? I figured out with my food and English GCSE that a seafood boil without seafood is not a seafood boil.
Okay, so everything is done. We've already assembled 5 of them. I'm going to show you how we assembled them. So this is Dad's one. All Dad wants in his is sausage and prawns. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in the prawns first. So you can add as many as you like. We're just going to add in kind of the remainder of the prawns for him. We just boiled them in our boil mixture, obviously. And I'm doing this in a bowl, so when you pour the sauce in, it doesn't go everywhere. So next I'm going to add in my sausage. This is just some smoked sausage that we heated up in the microwave. So next thing we're going to add in is our corn, eggs and potato. Dad wants 1 egg, excuse my brother in the background. Adding 3 pieces of corn. and then 6 halves of the potatoes. Next, we're going to add in our sauce. Nene, we're going to help you here. So this is the bowl so it doesn't get everywhere. Ooh. Just going to add in about 3 ladles of sauce.
Well, actually 3 because that's what's left. So.
Okay, there we go. Next, we're going to bag it up. And then slosh it around. And that is how we make our seafood.
So this is
bags.
it on a plate. So we've got some egg in there, some corn, prawns, lobster, potatoes, gonna say tomatoes, sausage, and the sauce.
And we just put that on a plate.
And mussels and langoustines. I was like, what else do we have in there? And that's it.
Okay, so my girls have Okay, so my girls have successfully made a seafood boil, and I actually didn't have to help much. The only thing that I had to do was to taste the sauce and to see whether it had enough seasonings in it. So I am going to open this now. I'm actually quite proud. They've left my kitchen in a decent state as well. Oh wow, it smells absolutely amazing. So in here we have a whole lobster tail. We have prawns and what's this one called? Langoustine, and mussels, potatoes and sweet corn. So there we have it. Sasha's kitchen takeover by my girls. Well done, girls.
Hey, that's another video done. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do not subscribe, I will keep on doing voiceovers. So please do subscribe. Bye guys.